can live a great life. Everybody can grow. Everybody can be prosperous. If you are not intentional about being a success, you can accidentally become a failure. But if you are intentional, if you start dreaming and having ideas and having visions now for what you want to have, you'll go to a whole nother level. I never thought I'd be in South Africa speaking. In the past 2 years, I've been to South Africa maybe 5 times, speaking for conferences and events. I never thought I'd go to Australia. I used to sit back and look at pictures in Australia and then like see videos and be like, okay, Melbourne or Sydney, and I would like Google stuff. I never thought me and my wife and my assistant would be going to Melbourne or Sydney, Australia. People would pay to put me on nice plane seats to fly me to different countries to speak. I never thought I'd be in Bangalore, India, riding on elephants and stuff, you know what I'm saying? What am I telling you? You can have whatever you want, but it's gonna take work. So I'll be in big cities like Miami, Dade County, Chicago, Houston, LA, New York. I'll be in big cities, but then I also come to smaller cities and smaller towns. And the struggle is everywhere. So what you gotta do is you gotta ask yourself, man, what do I want? Let me get the best education I can now at Gaffney High School. Let me graduate. Let me go on and get some type of additional education so I can be as sharp as I'm supposed to be in life and the best in my field. Let me go on to whatever college, whatever university, and then let me come back and make an impact, or come back and give to the school. Like, that's what we gotta do. We gotta ask ourselves, how do I be the best version of me? But what we can't do is we can't settle. And what we can't do is we can't look at our condition at home and think it's always gonna be like this. So what am I telling y'all? You're amazing. What am I telling you? I love you. What am I telling you? I can't wait to see the things that your life accomplished. What am I telling you? You are not an accident. What am I telling you? Your condition is not your conclusion. What am I telling you? Your DNA does not determine your destiny. What am I telling you? Life has so much more in store for you. What am I telling you? Trust me, there is light at the end of the tunnel. What am I telling you? You can have and experience whatever you want to in life, but it's going to take work and it's going to take time. Hey, what's up? I hope you enjoyed today's video, and check this out. You gotta subscribe because I've got so many more videos in store for you. And when they come out, I want them to come directly to you. So click subscribe and let's keep building together.